You can't always tell when a woman likes you because she'll never say it. Not directly, not in words, but her energy changes, her behavior shifts. And if you know what to look for, you'll see it. See, when a woman has a crush on you, she doesn't approach it like a man does. Men chase, women signal. They drop clues, subtle, hidden, emotional hints. And if you're tuned in, you'll catch every single one. She'll start remembering small details about you, things you said once, things you forgot you even mentioned. She'll mirror your movements without realizing it. The way you lean, the way you talk, the pace of your breathing. That's her body syncing with yours. It's subconscious desire. She'll laugh harder around you. Her tone softens. Her eyes linger just a second too long. She'll fix her hair when you walk in, adjust her clothes, touch her neck. These are primal signs of attraction. Signals from a woman trying to look her best in front of a man who makes her heart race. But here's the twist. She won't confess, because women fall for vibe, not words. If your presence makes her feel something, calm, safe, yet excited, she'll crave that energy again and again. A woman's crush isn't always loud. It's quiet, hidden beneath layers of just friends, casual conversations, and small talk. But behind that, there's curiosity. There's the way she keeps finding reasons to see you, to text you, to stay in your orbit. She might tease you more than others, not because she's being rude, but because she's testing you. She wants to see if you'll lose your cool or stay composed. Because women are drawn to emotional control, to men who don't chase approval. If she always finds a reason to touch you, a playful shove, a tap on the arm, a brush on the shoulder, that's not random. That's instinct. Her body is finding comfort in your presence before her mind even admits it. And the more you stay grounded, the deeper her attraction grows. When you don't rush, when you don't seek validation, when you let her energy come to you, that's when she feels the pull the most. Because women don't fall for men who need them. They fall for men who make them feel something rare, safety mixed with mystery. That's what triggers her crush to grow into desire. So pay attention. Not to what she says, but to how she acts. If she's glowing around you, finding excuses to talk, looking at you when you're not looking, she's already imagining what it would be like to be yours. And when you finally look back, calm, confident, unbothered, she feels it. That spark, that tension, that chemistry she can't explain. Because deep down she knows, she doesn't just like you, she wants you. So if like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button.